Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Tony, and I'm back in the dungeon with another unboxing for you. Only on T and Tony TV. Let's get it.
Okay guys, let's get serious. I'm in the dungeon and I'm gonna do a shoe review and it's gonna be lit. So on today's episode of Unboxed, I'm going to do a shoe review on the woman's mini Bailey Bow 2s. Don't know what they are? Uggs, people. They are Uggs.
Real hot girl shit.
X in shells. Lonnie bought me some black Uggs. They make all the noise like Lonnie be making. That light about to fall, Lonnie. Okay.
Oh, I got it.
Here's the shoe, people. That's what Lonnie be doing. You get it like down there. Like this. There is no tag, so I'm gonna pop the paper. Just like so. So I really was drawn to this particular Ugg because of the mini bow in the back. Get the bow? See the bow? The bow is so fascinating, people. Now, my advice to every woman who wants a pair of Uggs, get them. Why wait?
Real hot girl shit.
They're gonna be on sale Cyber Monday. Don't know where, but somewhere. They come with all this extra stuff in the inside. Just gonna throw that at Lonnie. Now, why you laughing?
You just toasted.
Now, if you are like me and you were half size, I suggest you go up to the next size, not down because of all the fur on the inside. They're so warm and comfy. You smell it like Lonnie. Lonnie, they smell good.
They should. Your feet ain't been in it yet.
The level of disrespect. So yeah, we're just gonna put up some video footage and then some on the feet footage. You know, you guys get into it. The Ugg sign right there, the original Ugg sign is right there in the back. Y'all see that? Can they see that, Lonnie? Am I holding it up right?
Real hot girl shit.
The original Ugg sign right there.
That's good.
In the bottom, look at the design and the detail in the bottom of this shoe. Ugg did their thing. Anyway, guys, that's it for me today. It's the thumbnail, Lonnie.
Yeah, I see.
Bye. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you want to see me, Lil OT, do more shoe reviews, you probably don't. So don't put it in the comment box.
Oh man, that was fun.
Shoe reviewer, baby. Is the camera good?
Yeah, that's straight.
Previously on Unboxed. No, for real though. My head hurt.
I don't